In this block, we are going to look at how Ireland is doing in relation to SDG 4. We're going to have a recap on some of the Irish SDG stats and a brief overview of how Ireland is addressing SDG 4 in terms of policies, targets and actions. I think it's fair to say that Ireland, especially over the last few decades, has prided itself on its education system. This pride is borne out by many of the SDG 4 statistics published by the UN. We have almost 100% engagement at primary level and similar levels in secondary school. We have achieved a 58.4% tertiary educational attainment as recorded by the UN statistics. Of course, while these are impressive, there are still gaps in relation to inequalities and access, the digital divide, and there are challenges with teacher shortages and climate change education. As mentioned earlier in the unit, global citizenship education is central to preparing each of us to take an active role in the future of our societies, both locally and globally. In this block, you will find some resources that help explain some of the GCE principles, where they come from, and a brief look at some positive examples of global activism in relation to GCE. And lastly, before I provide the overview, I would like to draw your attention to the Green Schools and Green Campuses initiatives, which are delivered and managed by An Taisce. For those of you who have been in education recently, I'm sure that most of you have heard of Green Schools initiative. Green Schools is Ireland's leading environmental management and award programme, working with primary and secondary schools across the country. The programme awards green flags to schools and colleges who achieve certain levels of excellence in relation to waste, water and energy usage, biodiversity and travel. If you click on the link below, you'll get their webpage and you can get a lot more information on this excellent initiative.